Remember the other time na tawag na ito, um, yung I sent you yung mga videos natin na bago. Have you watched the prevention? Have you watched the prevention? Okay, very good, no? So, ang ano lang ng prevention, no? So, sobrang easy. So, kasi doon, you really have just to, dun sa, that is cancer prevention, you just have to really prevent and avoid those things na risk factors natin, especially yung lifestyle na risk factors. And all those things are all modifiable naman. Diba? They are all modifiable. Yung pagdating sa lifestyle natin. Okay. So with the tinatawag nating with the hereditary, the race problem is nandun na talaga yun siya. So pero 'di ba nga one time 'di ba I told you, sabi nga before, if someone dies with cancer, they associate it to the to their um like their direct relatives, no? So gaya ng pag may namatay sa breast, tapos sasabihin kasi si mama niyan namatay din sa breast cancer. Pero if you would see, tingnan mo sa board, dito sa ano natin, again. So yung genetics natin is this is just 5 to 10%. Medyo maganda na yung internet, no? 5 to 10% of all the cancers, no? So of all the cancers, are genetics, no? So ibig sabihin, wala na yung myth na gusto nating anong mga panahon na sinasabing more on we lean on genetics kapag cancer. So hindi na, talagang it changed a lot, no? So this is just 5 to 10% of all the cancer, pero 5 to 10% is huge, no? Dito nga is yung 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 risk mo is sabi nga natin gets um higher, no, kapag it's a first degree relative talaga, no? So like your mother, your grandmother, so mga ganun, or your mother, your father. So talagang pag direct, no? So first degree relative, mataas ang chance na mag-develop ka ng cancer. Okay, so yun na yun. So pero bakit ko to ginawa? So types of cancer that is heavily linked to genetics and hereditary. Para isahan lang, nang ibig sabihin, pag sinabing ano yung risk factor nito, or ano to, ang risk factor is genetics, choose what type of cancer it is. So para isang sagutan lang kayo. So ibig sabihin, hindi na mahirap sumagot. So ano ibig sabihin, ilalagay na natin dito yung mga yung mga cancers, no, na hindi tayo again pa isa-isa nagme-memorize. So sabi natin, hitting 100 birds with one stone. So first, these are the types of cancer that are heavily linked, no? So sabi natin, we have your breast, lagi naman nangunguna si breast, no? So we have your breast cancer. Magandang color. Sige, gray na lang ako. We have your breast cancer. Oh, late. No? Medyo late siya. Diba? Parang 1 second na late. Diba? Breast, yan. Medyo late yung breast, tinitingnan ko kasi. You have your ovarian, yan. Okay. We have your, ano pa ba? We have your endometrial, yan. Kasama yan siya. We have your endometrial. Okay. Endometrial. So, dito kasi sa breast and ovarian talagang halos sila, magkapatid sila. Bakit? They share the same mutation, no? They do share the same mutation, pero wag niyo na masyadong iisipin. Pero ito yung good to know. Itong part na to lang. Okay? Good to know yung part na to lang. So, si pancreatic is also genetics, and the worst skin cancer, no? This is the worst skin cancer. It's your It's your melanoma. So, the worst skin cancer of all is melanoma. So, yan yun siya. Okay. So, dito, no guys, tingnan nyo. Ba't yan nakaganyan, no? Kasi these cancers, no? These types of cancers, uh, sila yan. Okay? Is, ang mutation niyan is the same. Anong ibig sabihin? If you're familiar with your BRCA1 and 2, yan, 1 and 2, sila yung mutations nito. No? Sila yung nag-mutate na cells, no? So that is your breast, ovarian, pancreatic, and your skin cancer, no? So tawag nito. So sila 'yon with the mutation of B or BRCA1 and 2. Okay. So ito pa. Um you have your, ito naman yung mga kasama ni endometrial. So you have your colorectal, colon, o rectal. So yan. You have your endometrial cancer. Then you also have your uterine. Okay? Uterine cancer. Same thing with your endometrial cancer. Okay? So magkaisa lang sila. Endometrial and uterine cancer. So it's the same. Huwag kakalimutan. Okay? So yan. Okay. So dito, sabi nga natin is this is associated with the tawag nan, with the mutation ng Lynch, no? Actually Lynch syndrome, okay? This is daw a ano, this is a sa GI system, no? Sa GI system. This is actually a problem ng GI, which is kaya syndrome, nakita niyo syndrome. Kaya makikita niyo dito. It's syndrome kasi hindi talaga siya disease. Okay? Ano daw to? Ito yung sinasabi natin lagi na pag wala silang maisip na sagot, they just say idiopathic. No? So, sa hindi nalalaman na dahilan, no, nagkaka-cancer. And this is the main cause ng one of the high na ano na na tinuturo natin. Lagi siyang the common cause ng colorectal CA or colon cancer. Okay. Pero ano ba to si Lynch? Okay. So sa GI nyo, ang tawag dito guys is ano? Okay. So choppy pa guys. Choppy pa. Choppy. Choppy pa. Guys. Okay na ba? Okay, so very good. So dito sa Lynch guys, we say na there is a non-polyposis. Polyposis. Tingnan mo non. Tingnan yung word, non-polyposis. Okay? So ito lang is you just get the polyp, no? Yan lang yan, no? Non-polyposis. Non-polyp. So ibig sabihin walang polyp. Okay? So, tingnan nyo, kahit non-polyps, pero you develop cancer. And talagang ano pa, meaning talagang magde-develop ng cancer into a colorectal cancer or your colon cancer, which is the most common. Okay? Yun pa yung tipong sabi natin na talagang makikita mo na there is a mutation. Anong ibig sabihin? May nasirang tissue doon sa lining ng GI mo. Then, nung nag-repair siya, eventually, one day, pag-repair niya, abnormal siya. Anong ibig sabihin? Naging cancer cells siya. Yun yung sinasabi ng Lynch syndrome. Eto, maintindihan ko pa. Diba guys? So, sa GI, you have what you call na you have a what you call yung tinatawag nating IBD. Naalala niyo IBD? Alam niyo IBD? Yung tinatawag nating late siya sa late siya sa screen. Super late Narinig niyo ako guys? Narinig niyo ako? Pero late sa screen o late lahat? O, nawala. Ayan guys, naririnig nyo ulit ako? Can you hear me? Bumalik na? Or ano talaga? Uncooperative, no? Bumalik na ba? May signal ba guys? Ito. Choppy ulit. Choppy again. Ito. Tingnan natin. If bumalik na. Ayan guys. Yeah. Okay. Change direction. Sorry guys. Thank you very much. So, okay. So IBD, no? Ito pa maintindihan natin ng mabilis. Bakit ito nagka-cancer? Kasi si IBD is your inflammatory bowel disease. Okay? So you have your inflammatory. Yan. So you have your inflammatory bowel disease. So yan si IBD nyo, no? So that's your inflammatory bowel disease, si IBD. Okay. So yan, you have two. Okay, you have two. So ano yung two na yan? So you have sa arrow ko lang, no? So arrow ko is black. You have two. So we have your ulcerative colitis and you have your Crohn's, no? So dito you'll have your ulcerative colitis, and you have your, on the other side is you have your Crohn's disease. Okay, so nandyan siya. Oh, ito maintindihan ko pa. Bakit ko maintindihan to? Kasi itong dalawang to, they all have polyps. May polyposis sila. They have polyps. So they have presence ng polyps. Excuse. Okay. So, ayun. Kaya nga yan, sabi nga natin, 'di ba, may presence of the cobblestone, no? Yung parang dumaan ka sa Rome. Kung sa simbahan meron pa nun, 'di ba? Yung mga bato yung nasa mga uneven na mga bato-batong maliliit na yung makinis na bato. 'Di ba? Nawala talaga. So, nawawala yung kakainis. So, sige, try ko pa. So, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Tagal bumalik ng picture. Naririnig niyo ako pero di ba mabalik yung picture? Nakikita niyo ba screen ko, guys? Kita niyo yung screen? Oh, di ba? Kahit akin nawala. Oh, yan. Lumabas na uli siya. Pero not really responding that much. Pero tignan natin. Say it's really good kapag nasa online nakikita. Ganun na ibig sabihin guys ng BGC. Bagal signal. So pag nasa BGC kayo, bagal signal. Okay? O di pa rin gumagalaw. Nangangawit na ako. Di pa siya gumagalaw. O yan o. O yan o. Ginaganon ko. Tingnan nyo guys o. O. Di talaga siya gumagalaw. Yan o. Tingnan nyo. O. 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 Yan o. 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 Wala. Bagal BGC. BGC. Bagal signal. Simula ngayon, ganun ang tawag nyo sa BGC Bagal signal. Okay, ano bang ko, internet ko? Sino ba to? Bagal signal. Hindi, pareho Globe to saka smart Puro palpak. Okay. Ba yung sabi kong description, di ba? Cobblestone. So, kasi ito si si IBD, there is actually a polyp, no? There is a polyposis, no? So, there is a polyposis. There's a presence ng polyps, no? So, ibig sabihin, it can lead to cancer. Pero di ko sinasabing it leads to cancer agad, no? It just can lead to cancer. Mas closer to sa kanya kapag may polyps kayo. Okay? So, tandaan niyo, mas closer. So, this IBD can lead to cancer, no? So, sa GI cancer nyo. So, ganyan. So, sa colon cancer. Ay, wag nang not specific. Can lead to cancer. Diba? So, ganun yan. Okay? So, madaling i-relate. Pero yung kanina, si Lynch syndrome, so non-polyposis kasi So talagang sasabihin mo na lang is yun talaga yung pagkakataon na everything cannot be explained. O isipin nyo about yung 'di ba I told you that Jerd, yung mga excuse letter nyo na Jerd, 'di ba? So wag niyo nang gagamitin uli na excuse letter si Jerd kasi Jerd is a cause of your esophageal cancer, 'di ba? Sinabi ko 'yun sa inyo. Tapos yung tawag doon, no, nagkakaroon kayo ng tinatawag na Barrett's. It's your Barrett's na disease, no? Ah, tama ba? I think it's Barrett's, no? So parang ganun ang word. Tama ba ako, guys? Tingnan nyo nga. If it's Barrett's or ganun, 'di ba? So it's BAR, I think one R E double T and S. Yan yung yung um one step closer to esophageal cancer. Yan yung muna yung mangyayari kapag super na damage yung esophagus mo doon sa dahil doon sa gastric acidity or ng content nung inyong stomach. Okay? So ganun yan. It's Barrett's, I think, no? Tama ba? Guys, tama ba? Tama ba ako? 'Di ba? It's sir, sorry po, putol-putol. So tama ba? Sir lag. Kanina pa ako nagsalita. Okay. So anyway, so ano sa tingin nyo? I'll just cut it, I'll record it, and I'll send it to you. Anong gusto nyo? Ganun na lang? Ay, nako. Pinagsulo nyo na naman ako. Solo ka na naman. Mag-isa ka, sir. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Diba? So, does everyone agree? Does everyone agree? Na I'll just record it, no? I'll just continue it now, tapos I'll just record it. Oo. Okay, so I'm gonna send you a series of baka maisama ko na yung CDN, no? Masama ko na yung CDN kasi sa Saturday i-include ko din kayo sa lecture ko ng CDN kung sino lang yung pwede and can attend, no? So magkaka-session tayo na, no? Okay guys? So sige guys. So sige, okay na ako. Sige, you can leave. I'll just continue the lecture, no? Tapos kahit nga gawin niyo na lang kahit di na kayo hindi kayo mag-leave sa para may tao. So pero you can do what you want to do, no? Pero it's okay kahit wala kayo na may tao lang, no? So ganun guys, no? So thank you guys for for trying. Ako din wala lakas ng ulan kanina, no? Sir, ano na po coverage? So ang coverage same thing, no? Same thing. Ano lang, your cancer, okay? Ibibigay ko lahat. I mean yung mga binigay ko na yon, lahat yon nandun. Pati practice test, sayang may practice test ngayon. Ang gagawin ko, ire-record ko na din yung practice test nyo, magra-rationalize na lang din ako. Isa-separate ko para hindi masyadong mahaba para you can go from one video to the other. Ganon, no? So, ganon ang gagawin natin. Siguro, I'll place there. Dito sa cancer, naggumawa ako ng I think 50. Mga siguro, i-rationalize natin dun 30. So, i-gawin ko is to relate it as much as possible na na hitting two to three birds with one question, no, para maraming nasasagutan. Understood guys? So yun na lang, no. So sige na, you can leave, I can record na lang, then I'll send it to you tonight, no, tonight. So tonight can send, okay? Bye guys, thank you very much for trying, no. So alam ko naman na nandyan kayo. Yeah, communicable disease. Ay, easy yan. Abot pa natin yan hanggang next week na lecture. Kayang-kaya pa yan. Ang exam natin ata is Thursday. So, may review pa tayo niyan. Kayang-kaya natin yan, no? Okay? Understood? So, thank you very much, guys. See you. Okay, so you can leave na. Sayang yung effort. Okay? So, ayun. So, ganun siya kakadali. No? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Pero, di nagpa-flash doon. So, again, um, these are the types of cancer that is heavily linked um, through to genetics and your hereditary. No? So, talagang very sad kasi yung connection natin is talaga not really good yung connection. So, yan. So, again, so yan yung forma niyan, guys. So kaya sabi ko kanina, it's very easy to remember. Kahit pumikit kayo, no? You just start from the top and to the bottom. You have your breast, you have your um, ovarian, you have your endometrial, you have your colorectal, you have your tawag na ito, you have your kidneys, you have your adrenal, and you have your thyroid. Yan, your thyroid. Tapos syempre, wag niyong kakalimutan yung tinatawag nating pancreatic, CA, or your skin cancer, which is your melanoma, the worst skin cancer of all cancer. So, ayan. So, wag kalimutan. Uh, worst talagang dead si internet, no? Talagang linalabas niya lahat ng kapangitan niya ngayon. Tawag nan, shout out to you Globe and Smart, no? Talagang ganun pa yung internet ko, may Globe, may Smart. BGC, bagal signal. Yan ang bago ngayong ano, yan ang bago ngayong term. Uy, nandito ka pa pala. Meron pa palang tao. So I mean, yun. Okay lang kahit nandiyan kayo, no? Sabi ko nga, you can leave your your internet there, no? Na naka-login kayo. So pwede din kayong gumawa ng kung ano, it's not your fault, pero I'll send this to you properly, no? So that's your BGC, bagal signal. So yun yun, no? So para when you are asked about those cancers that are linked to genetics, may mga sagot kayong mabilis. So you do not worry about yung tinatawag na mga BRCA1 and 2. So, pero it's good to know, no, na na ang mutation ng breast, ovarian, pancreatic, and your skin cancer is your BRCA1 and 2, and your Lynch syndrome, which is your colorectal, endometrial, or your uterine. Okay? So, kasi kung tatandaan nyo pa yung isa, kung si fan kayo ni Jet Li, tawag ko lang naman dyan, Jet Li Fromini. So, ganun yan. Lee Fromini. So this is your this is your other mutation, no? This is your other mutation. We call it your Lee Fromini. So you can just call it Jet Lee Fromini. O yun, ganun. So that's kasi ito, ganun ang ginawa ko para I should remember kasi merong relevance with my nickname. So ang bilis kong maalala, no? So ayun yan. So these are all the cancers that are associated with genetics. So tandaan niyo yan. Ha? So yan sila. So let's talk about these two types of cancer. We have your cervical and your endometrial. Bakit kaya siya pinagsama ko in one? Kasi they are mostly alike, no? They are mostly alike, especially when it comes to your symptoms. Yun yung pinakamaganda dito. They are mostly alike. So, okay. So, dito, kung gusto natin, kasi nandito lang naman sa ibabaw eh. Di ba nakita nyo? And then, top part pa pala. So, ibig sabihin na we'll be looking for it. So, dito, para you would remember, I would put on a little about the causes, no? Causes muna ng general causes, so we can just go left and right, no? We can just go to the left, we can just go to the right. Okay, so anyway, I'll just do another recording dito sa sa tablet ko. So para tawag na ito, um, um, pag pinagsama ko yung dalawa is mas malakas ang sound, or ibig sabihin meaning may sound, ay yun lang. Kasi nawala nung nag-record ako dito. Yes, mawawala sa pagka-share. Oo nga pala, ganun pala yun siya. Pag nag-record ako dito, mawawala sa pagka-share. Okay, so di nyo makikita. So, yun lang. So, guys, okay, so you can just leave, no? Kung nang bahala na ito. Kasi mas faster dito sa isa kong gamit na device eh. Okay? So, thank you guys for for staying. Okay? Thank you very much. So, patayin ko na yan kasi ang gagawin ko, ito na lang kasi mas mabilis tong isa. Kasi if I will rely with the internet, deads tayo na ito. I won't finish. Okay? So, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.